How to use SHEIN student discount. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can use SHEIN's student discount. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, what I want you guys to do is simply search for SHEIN student discount. After that, you'll find this website by my uni days. You can open that up. So from this website, you can get up to 15%. Now, you can see which different offers are available right now. You can find different offers available or different benefits available right now. So you can tap on this Get Now option. After you tap on the Get Now option, you will need to verify your account. So from here, you will need to type in your personal email address first. You'll get a verification code in your mail. Type that in, and after you do that, select your institute. So let's say that I'm from MIT. So I just choose this, then tap on continue. After that, you'll need to verify that you're from that very, institute by typing in your student's email address. Then tap on send mail, and that you will receive a student's verification mail, which you'll need to copy paste here. And from that, you can prompt to SHEIN and use the 15% discount. That's one way of doing it. There are different websites that provide you those discounts off as well. There you can see this is by SHEIN themselves. So if you simply head over here, this is for students 15 extra percent. So here you can register by simply typing in your college's email address, then tap on register. And those are different ways you can do so, guys. And currently there are no different discounts available. As you can see, it will take you to my uni days again to find different discounts. And yeah, that is the way you can use your student discount on SHEIN. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.